Today we are taking a quick look at a case for your iPhone that can provide you with 170% more battery life. The case itself has a 7200 mAh battery inside and is capable of fully charging your phone up a little bit more than 1.5 times. You charge the case with the exact same lightning cable that you would use for your phone, and if you have the case on and it's plugged in, all you have to do is shortly hold down the button on the back to switch between charging the case and charging your phone. When you're out and about and want the case to start charging your phone, once again you just have to hold down that button on the back for a tiny bit. When using your phone with the case on, it feels pretty heavy and is a lot thicker to the point where it's a bit annoying to hold. I feel like for everyday use this thing is definitely a little bit too much. What I think this is good for is, say, when you're going on a hike and you know you're going to be going somewhere where there's not going to be any electricity, something like that. The case itself is made completely of plastic and is pretty durable. The buttons feel nice too, and overall this thing feels pretty decent in the hand. Something to also keep in mind that could definitely be a deal breaker is that you won't be able to use any wired earphones or headphones with this thing. So basically you'll only be able to use Bluetooth stuff when you have this case on, which definitely sucks. To charge the case completely it takes about 5.5 hours, and if you're wondering, yes, there is also a version for the normal sized iPhone 8, 7 or 6, except instead of having a 7200 mAh battery, it has a 5000 mAh battery inside, which is actually fine though because the smaller phone of course has that smaller battery, meaning you're still getting that extra 170% battery life. This case goes for $30, which is a pretty good price for what you're getting. Overall, I feel like this thing is just too big and too heavy for most people to use on a daily basis, and the fact that you can't use your wired earphones with it doesn't make it any better. What I do think it's good for are those times when you're going out into nature or something, and you're just going to throw your phone in your bag, or maybe you bring this case as a backup in case your phone dies. If you do go out a lot and definitely need that extra battery life, and it's not going to be an everyday thing, then I would have a pretty easy time recommending this thing to you because it felt pretty good knowing that I could just be as careless as I wanted with my phone's battery life. But other than that, it's up to you to decide if those downsides are really enough to justify that extra battery life. Thanks for watching. The link to both versions, the Plus and the normal, will be in the description below. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.